All right, YouTubes. It's Friday. Got the day off from the day job. Gonna do some NorCaling. Took Kim to the airport last night, so she's in El Salvador until Thanksgiving. Edited up the motorcycle video. I hope you guys take time to watch this one. Did the Four Corners, $1 Million Highway, Moki Dugway, North Rim of the Grand Canyon. It came out so good. We had such a great trip on that ride, but excited having my coffee, and then we're going to, I'm going to take the dog for a walk, and then I got to go work. And I'll bring you guys along. Prep table down, prep table down. Pizza prep table.
It's my kind of town. Blue collar.
Yeah, your way. Colorado, a little more blue collar that tell you ride high dollar. But let's get out there. All right, here's the unit I got the call for. They said it was running at 50 last night. Team True. It seems like they unplugged it. That's a great move at the end of the night to unplug it. Yes. That's how you save your equipment. All right, let's get started on this thing. We can. I'm not sure if this is frontal access or rear. Let's see. Well, let's take a look and see what refrigerant this thing is first. First and foremost, what do we got here? Oh yeah, the ice is doing a good job. This is R290, 5 ounces, so it's got the maximum allowable charge. 5 ounces. The ice tub's going, which that's how I got through the night last night. That's pretty good, so let's see. I'll go ahead and get this screw out right here. Yeah, Phillips. We can take the front panel off and the rear panel. And it's so great to get working when no one's here. And the fact that the unit's on wheels. Hey, good morning. Not super egregious, but you can tell it had been bad. Let's see. Before I turn it on. Piece is bugging me right there. That's better. A little bit of scuzz, not too bad. Look at that. A little bit of scuzz here. Let's plug it in, see what happens. Before I plug it in, I'm going to take this back panel off too. Okay. I usually take this back panel off to get to that condensate drain because I've done maintenance on this one before. Okay. Yep, and there's your process tubes and whatnot. And the compressor. They were saying it was running at 50 something degrees. We'll plug them in. thermostat? No. Those thermostats have a time delay. Let's crank that thermostat down. See what happens here. Okay, it's all the way along. Calling. Can't remember how long the time delay is on those Solitech thermostats, but they do have a little time delay in them. I'll wait for that thermostat time delay. I'm gonna take a look at my condensate. This one's clean. Yes, I think we've been draining okay. We can put that back. All right, here we go. We're running. Condenser fan sounds a little shitty. So let's see what it does. Uh-oh, condenser. I think the condenser fan motor's a goner. That's going to be my issue. Oh, now it's doing the backwards thing. Maybe it's going to be okay. It's doing its pump out. Charge. So take the 4 screws off the control panel so I can amp out my compressor. It's super easy right here. I got 3.5 amps. It says full load amps are 7 amps on that compressor. I'm thinking this thing's probably low on charge. It is cooling, but it's not cooling super fast. See if I can get a piercing valve on there or my grabbers and get a reading. Get the gauge on it and see what it looks like, but it's probably low on charge. Evaporator fan motor is good. I'm thinking it's low on gas. All right, I've got to digging in this thing. I got the nitrogen out, blew the condensate drain, the condenser coil. And what I noticed was there was a bunch of water you can see coming out of there around the condensate housing. And what I couldn't see before, you can see a bunch of water in here, was the evaporator coil is iced up.
Got iced up.
Turn the fan up. I got the fan up. I'm trying to melt the ice. That guy there is iced up coilotitis. Big time. And what happens on these trues a lot is that Solitech thermostat will take out the Solitech thermostat right there. They fail with the sensors, and you end up the iced up coil. So I'm gonna get this thing unplugged, take it apart. For the new guys, you've seen in my videos, and I'm totally guilty of it, of melting walk-in box coils with my plumber's torch. Do not do that with an R290 unit. Maybe use the heat gun a little bit, maybe not. Maybe just let it air defrost, because the R290 is flammable. So just be super careful on your coil defrost tactics. All right, we're getting this thing apart. Got me some cardboard down because I'm a professional swimmer. Oh yeah, coil's iced to the max. Let me continue, see if I could get, yeah, this faceplate will come off. 4 screws. Oh yeah, you can see all the ice back there. This thing's mega iced up. Yep. Yes. Okay, you're gonna need a nice little 1/4-inch wrench so you can get this zip screw out right here, so you can get the fan assembly out, or you'll never get it out. So that screw, so this can go back. There's not enough room to get this out, so that's got to come apart. Make sure you got a little ratchet or a wrench. I'm just using a wrench. A socket would work better right there, but hey, we're doing it. I screw out. Now I got this out. If you've never seen the evaporator assembly on these, this is what it looks like. If you wanted to order up aftermarket, that's what it looks like. It comes with this whole assembly. Mounts in the front with those screws. You can see that my grill's all dirty. I gotta get that cleaned up. There's our problem. Iced up coilotitis. Hey, good morning, everybody. My name's NorCal Dave, and I'm a professional swimmer. Cause you come in here with me, cause I'm swimming in it. Look at iced up coilotitis. You got to get in here and take it all apart and do some swimming. Taking some time here. You can see how deep the ice was, way deep in the coil. Ice is melted, new thermostat's in. I'm swabbing the deck because I got nothing else to do while it's pulling down. Getting there, looking better. All right, let's swab the deck. All right, that's a wrap on that one. Car would move a lot better if I take the parking brake off. That was the old Solitech thermostat. That one made it 1.5 years. Those things, they just don't last. And I noticed when they fail, they usually fail with the box getting too cold or ice ups. And I don't even mess around. If you're gonna change the probes out, might as well change the stat out too on those. That one there, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, that was about a 3-hour call. You know, me trying to diagnose it. I probably wasn't on my A game today, but I was close, maybe like a B+. And the water dripping out took me right to that iced up evaporator. And man, that one took a long time, but it was good. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe in the corner if you haven't subscribed yet. And we'll see you on the next one. Woo, look at that, it's a nice day today. T-shirt weather, November, gotta love it.